In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Miro. We're going to be using Miro for our concept map that you'll be creating in this class. And the concept map is going to help you brainstorm to develop curriculum. So let's get started. You're going to start by clicking Login or sign up for free. You can sign up for free, and each email address you use, you get 3 concept maps that you can use. So I'm going to log in with my Gmail that I've already set up an account with. And you can see here I already have one concept map that I've done, and then I've got another one here that I'm working on. What you're going to do is you're going to create a new board, and then it's going to give you all of these different templates that you can use, and all of them are really, really cool. The one that I'd like you to use for this course is going to be down here. So if you just scroll through this menu here, right here, it's called a scamper, and it's used for ideation and brainstorming, which is exactly what we're going to use it for. So we're going to click here, and we are going to add it. And then we get all of these great sticky notes and text that we can adapt to our concept map. So I'm going to go back here because I've already started one. Okay, so here is a board that I've already started that's going to look similar to what you're doing for this class. I don't have all of my STEAM academic content areas labeled yet, so I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to click on this text here. I'm going to click these 3 dots, and I'm going to click duplicate. And then I'm going to change this to technology. And then I'm going to duplicate that and bring it over here. This is going to be my engineering. And you can see that all of these objects have this toolbar, and you've got these 3 dots with some extra options. So you can duplicate this sticky note, you can duplicate text, you can duplicate these arrows. And then let's say that I want to drag my engineering sticky notes off to the side. I'm going to click on one, and I'm going to hold my control button down on my keyboard, and I'm going to click on the others. And so just make sure you've clicked on all of them, holding down the control button, and now I can hold them, I can click and drag them as a group and put them where I want them. And then I can put my engineering, and let's say I want that text to be a little bit bigger so that I can see it, and I can also align my text just so like this text box isn't so humongous, and there we go. And you'll do that for the rest. There is a group, so we have science, technology, engineering, art, and math. So we've got a couple of groups here that we don't need. So what I'll do is I'll click on each of these, and actually I can click, hit Control, click the next one, click the 3 dots, and then I can delete that group. Got some text over here that I don't need, so I'll delete that as well. And then I'm going to Control, click on each of these sticky notes, and delete this group as well. And I'm going to Control, click on each of these, and I'm going to bring this group over here. I hope you have a ton of fun creating your concept map and planning your STEAM curriculum.